Okay, hi, hello. We're in my craft room doing makeup. I know, it's been a minute, and I'm sure you all got like really used to sitting with me in my car, but I figured this is a little bit, you know, easier on the eyes, and I can control the lighting here, whereas in my car I can't. So I don't know what kind of look we're going for today. I've been really enjoying like the really dark looks, but you know, not everybody likes that. I don't know. We'll just go with the flow, you know, like I always do. Do you ever get song lyrics in your head when you say something? Because when I said that, I just had a song pop up in my head, but it's not appropriate for YouTube. Well, it probably is. They probably have it on YouTube, but it's not appropriate for right now, I guess is what I'm trying to say. Oh, I'm just gonna go into the Subculture palette and put on Adorn. It's a nice bronze. And it still kind of like fits the vibe for winter, less autumn. Oh yeah, remember this got all messed up the other day? Putty. Sorry. Seat around. The only thing is like when I do it this way as opposed to in my car, you don't get like a cool zoom in of the eyeliner. I might just like zoom you in real quick. But I know that the quality is a little bit better from the back camera as opposed to the front camera. And that's the motivation behind this. I mean, I don't have a way to set my phone up in my car to do film this way. You don't want to see that in me because you would just see the car zoom behind me. And that's no fun. Right? Unless you really want a car watch. Like, that's partly why I sit in my car in the morning, is so I can car watch. And now for brows. Yeah, it's I don't feel as rushed doing it here as opposed to in my car, especially if I'm like dropping everybody off in the morning. I've been a little bit rushed the last couple of days, and it's, whew, you know, it's a lot. I see the outer corners and I'm like, this could use a little zhuzh, you know? Like, I love the bronze, but I think I'm gonna pop into Destiny and deepen it up a little bit. Just to give it a little pizzazz, you know what I'm saying? I mean, like, copper's good. Don't get me wrong, I actually really love this copper bronze, but I'm gonna give it a little more intrigue, you know? That's exactly what I was looking for. On the fence on like if I should do, you know, I'm not gonna do foundation today. Why? Why should I do foundation? So we're just gonna do same old hydrating camo concealer, and we're just gonna blend and blend and blend until basically our hands fall off. I really try to make these like super quick, kind of like a more realistic like get ready with me, you know, I only have like X amount of time. It's 7 o'clock. I have an alarm that goes off at 7. And that was what you just heard. Okay, now let's move on to bronzer. The other day, I had way too much blush on this side and not enough on this side. So I had to get like a paper towel and like kind of like brush it in. And I was like, I actually don't really see anybody at my office. Like nobody really comes and talks to me, and I don't really, like maybe I'll see like 3 or 4 people on an average day. Because like I like work in my office and like that's all I do. I just work, you know. And so I was happy that like nobody would have seen the monstrosity that was my blush, but it was still like, I know how to apply makeup, I really do, but that was just so funny to me that it would like, it looked like that, like it looked so uneven. It's like, how do I explain to these people that I really love makeup when I can't even fucking apply it, you know what I mean? But I can, look, see, it's even today. What's next? Lips. Let's go with the Sephora cream lip stain today in 41 Vintage Rosewood. And just put that on. Ah. Okay, that's that. Okay, I'm gonna do something that I haven't done in a minute, and I'm going to put mascara on camera. Because I haven't put on mascara in a couple of days because I've been like rushing around. Well, that went better than expected, I must say. And now we just brush it up. Sorry for not talking during this. It's just, well, you've seen the other videos. I get like really distracted and then I'm talking and then I like blink and I get mascara all over the place, and nobody wants that. Nobody wants to see that. Okay, that's it. That's today's look. What do you think? Is it good? Is it not good? Thoughts, opinions, like, subscribe. I just think it's so weird that you have to remind people to subscribe to your channel or like the video. But I watch YouTube too, and I don't like or subscribe unless somebody reminds me, so I get it. You need a little reminder. Anyway, that's today's look using the Anastasia Beverly Hills Subculture palette. I hope you like the very simple look, and yeah, that's it. That's all. Have a wonderful day, and I will talk to you later. Bye.